I want you to have this.
What is that?
Well, it's a prenup.
Prenup.
Yeah.
That's the most unromantic thing I've ever heard in my life.
Well, come on. My friend Bob got married, he got divorced, he lost everything. He lost his dog.
Really? Wouldn't have a dog?
Well, that's the idea with a prenup. You plan for the future you don't know yet.
Okay, then I'm gonna keep my 3-carat diamond ring that I don't have yet.
Ooh, okay.
Uh-huh.
A prenuptial agreement, antenuptial agreement, or premarital agreement, commonly abbreviated to prenup, is a contract between prospective spouses made because they're planning to marry. If you're thinking about marrying or remarrying, you better be also thinking about preparing a prenuptial agreement. The sad truth is that 50% of the first marriages and 65% of the second marriages end in divorce. You will be better off to protect your children's inheritance rights as well as your own financial independence. Prenuptial agreements are not required in California, but they are recognized. They may not be always enforceable, however. The couple should have lawyers represent them to ensure the agreement is enforceable. In some cases, the couple hire a private judge to be present during the signing to be sure that neither party has been coerced into an agreement. Some attorneys recommend videotaping the signing, although this is not required by the law. California law requires that the couples be represented by counsel if spousal support or so-called alimony is waived or limited. There are several ways that a prenuptial agreement can be attacked in court. These include a lack of voluntariness, unconscionability, and a failure to fully disclose assets. However, if it is correctly drafted and executed, it may be impossible to set aside a prenup. Prenuptial agreements are partial solution of some of the risk of marital property disputes in divorce. Prenups can be a powerful tool to limit couples' property rights and alimony. A prenup can regulate not only what happens if the party divorces, but also what happens when they die. A prenup is also valid if it is completed and signed by both future spouses prior to the marriage. After a couple is married, they can create a postnuptial agreement. In the United States, prenuptial agreements are recognized in all 50 states and the District of Columbia. The Uniform Prenuptial Agreement Act has been adopted by 27 states, including California. Contact our office if you seek more clarification about prenups.